Hi guys, warmly welcome you to the Manaka channel. So as you seen on the thumbnail, we are going to be showing you today a complete exterior wash for a Mitsubishi Pajero. So this truck is being parked up for nearly a decade. So on this first episode we are going to be showing you how we're going to be preparing the car for the paint correction stage. We have a separate video coming up showing you how we're going to be detailing the interior and exterior paint correction and a 3-year ceramic coating, how we're going to apply that. So this is not something you do every single day to your car. Like, this is not a day-to-day wash. We treat every car separately, differently. So sit back, grab a coffee or beer, enjoy. Hiya. Today I got a Mitsubishi Pajero manufactured 2000. So this is a diesel truck and it's the 3.2 diesel engine. It's a very nice truck though, but it is been stagnated for nearly 10 years and customer got the mechanics done, so he's wanna put this truck into the road. So what we're gonna do today is give this car a really deep wash, take out all the contaminations from the paint and give it a nice polish, engine bay clean. I'll guide you through the stuff we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do first is steam clean the engine, and it's not dirty but it's got, like, you know, few places where it needs to be brushed and get the grime off. So once we do that, we're gonna get into the wheels here. They're not too bad for the car, but it's got a bit of a grime, so we might be end up polishing them or get away. Clean the arches. You'll see, like, because of it's been parked outside, it's got so much moss running, like it's green. So even the inside, like door jams and stuff, so they need to be cleaned. So this one we got, like, you know, really grubby floor mats. So hopefully we can get this to their pretty much original condition and get all these dust, seeds, shampoo. So as you can see, this is got, it's not dirty, but it's got a lot of stuff. You never know what it is, so we're gonna clean them, clean the mats. So you'll see, like, I don't know how old these are. They're probably 10-15 years old. So we're gonna get rid of all of these, probably with some degreaser and a lot of brushing, a lot of elbow grease. So now we're going to wash this car. So we're gonna get rid of pretty much everything on the paint, including iron, tar, you name it. We're gonna do clay bar, iron removal. So, and then it's gonna make us so much easier for the polishing stage. You will see when we're doing the washing stage. Yeah, stay tuned. This is a bit alkaline base degreaser, so we're gonna use it to all the creases. So this is the rinsing stage, so we're gonna rinse this all with the pressure washer. So now we pre-soak the car with degreaser, like, you know, quite heavy degreaser, and I'm gonna apply some alloy wheel cleaner. So this is a, like, you know, matte wheel cleaner, quite strong one, because, like, you know, this truck got, like, you know, 10 years of debris stuck onto the wheels. So we're gonna try get rid of everything from the try not everything, like pretty much most of it from the pressure wash, just from the wash, so then it's not gonna scratch the wheel when we're doing the contact wash. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a heavy car shampoo, which does not include any waxes or anything because we don't want it at this stage. We got the paint already soaked with the degreaser, so what we're gonna do is just give it more time to work it out, to get the dirt out, and this is gonna help that degreaser, which is add another wet layer to it to fight to the grime. You'll see. So it's been soaked with mag wheel cleaner, and so we're gonna rinse off it. Now we got rid of the main debris, and again we're gonna apply the mag wheel cleaner and brush it. Nicely soaked. This wheel is a bit harder to get rid of the dirt. You're gonna have to use a hard brush. Now this paint is washed, but it's not in the perfect condition. You still feel the sandpaper effect on this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray iron remover to remove the iron particles and use the clay bar. So what I'm using is an iron remover. This is a like Gion brand, and it's a clay bar. So what I'm gonna do is trying to make it quicker. I'm gonna spray the iron remover and use this to mechanically remove, so you get two stuff out of one process. You need to do this until you feel it's gliding on the paint. You will feel it firstly it's very rough, but once you do a couple of passes you find it's smooth. So today I'm using wet coat to dry this car. This is a sealant, but I'm using this as a drying aid, which is gonna make so much easier to get the water out from the car. You see the water is stuck onto the paint even though this is pretty clean. You see the difference between these two panels. So in here the water is beating, but here not. what a difference after the wash. Now the paint is super clean, but it is still got the scratches and a bit of a haziness to the paint. We have a separate video coming up showing you how we doing the interior cleaning and exterior paint correction and applying a nano coating for the truck. So stay tuned to our channel. Give us a like if you think we deserve it. Thank you very much.